On the occasion of International Women's Day, I wish to highlight the importance of the 8 March principles for a human rights-based approach to criminal law, prescribing conduct associated with sex, reproduction, drug use, HIV, homelessness, and poverty. The principles were published in March 2023 by the International Commission of Jurists. They call for the amendment or repeal of criminal law provisions that fail to comply with the general principles of criminal law and international human rights law. The 8 March principles are of particular relevance to women. First, sexual and reproductive health rights are all too often restricted by criminal law provisions. The principles aim to exclude this entire domain from the scope of criminal law in order to protect women's right to make their own decisions concerning their bodies, their sexuality and reproduction, particularly abortion, and to enable healthcare workers to act accordingly without risking punishment for the health services that they provide. Furthermore, the principles are also of great importance in improving the situation of women belonging to vulnerable population groups such as migrant women, sex workers, women who use drugs, women living with HIV, women living in poverty, and homeless women. These women, already victims of structural inequality, discrimination, and violence, are disproportionately targeted by criminal prosecution and sanctions, even though they are themselves victims, and the conduct for which they are prosecuted poses no danger to society. They often have no access to justice. The principles aim to eliminate such unfounded, unlawful, arbitrary, and discriminatory provisions and to protect the human rights of the women concerned. The principles will shortly be published in French and will be available on the website of the International Commission of Jurists.